Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call. Just a very quick mail call today. Got a couple of small things to take out of the box. So it won't be a very long video today. I'm not sure if today. I'm not sure when this video will come out. Hopefully not until Thursday. But if I don't make it for my learning the art of electronics video for Tuesday, I'll push this out on Tuesday and maybe try to catch up. Otherwise, if things have gone to plan, this video will be coming out on Tuesday and on Thursday, and last Tuesday will have been the learning the art of electronics video. So that's certainly what I'm aiming for as I record this. And it's not going to be a long video today. It's just a couple of things in the mail. And my silly job title for today is Cable Commander. Today I'm the Cable Commander. So let's pop over to the bench, pop our stuff out of the box and see what we've got. Here on the bench. So I thought I might do this one first. This is, I know what this is. It's paste. It's just paste. I bought a 10-pack because it, I don't know, was available. I just bought it. We're going to have to figure out where to store it. They put some sort of note in with it. We'll check that out later. But yeah, this is Stik Blue Stick. It's a 10-pack of 30-gram sticks. So those look like this. And now that I have it, I can file that. That was waiting for paste, and now I've got paste. So let's do that quickly right now. Why not? All right. So I just pasted my bits onto my bit of paper. I'm not sure where I'm going to keep this. I'll have to think about it. For now, it can just sit on the floor. I'll put this away and we'll continue. All right, so that's done. Now, let's see what's in here. Okay, so these are audio jacks and audio sockets. There's mono, and that's better than stereo. That's stereo and microphone by the looks of it. So that's all good. Give me a sec. All right, I'm back, and I just found this, which is my box full of 3.5 mil audio cables. So these can go in there. Now I did buy them because I'm working on something, but I forget what it is that I'm working on. Got too many projects on the boil. Anyway, let's see what's in this one. Oh, that's pretty interesting. Wow. They're Electret microphones, but they're tiny. I didn't know. Yeah. Let's jump over to the computer together, and we'll see. Oh no, we won't do that because the computer's busy at the moment. But these look like Electret microphones, don't they? They're very small, tiny ones. I was expecting they'd be larger. All right. Well, we'll just leave them there and keep on. There's just a few more things to do, so it shouldn't take us very long. Let's get into here. I'm quite amazed. They're just tiny, these things. I'm pretty sure they're microphones. I don't know. And more of the same. This one has a thing. That's good. These are a 10-piece condenser pickup microphone. Various sizes. These are, it's hard to read actually. But yeah, they're condenser microphone. Cool. And these are more of the, okay, this is the stereo cables. Very good. So we'll put those in with the other ones. And just a few more things to go. I don't remember what that project was that I got that audio stuff for. I forget. I'm working on something. Too many things. So, what's in here? Ow. Stab myself with something. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's right. Now I remember. So what I'm working on, gee, I had forgotten. I've got so many things going on. What I'm working on is this project up here. Oh no, that's not it. I've put it in some other box. Anyway, it's like a noise controlled thing. It's actually these. These are three of the same. And they're called the CD4017 Colorful Voice Control Rotating LED Light Kit. These are all the same. I had some problems putting it together. I made a mess of things, so I got these Electret microphones and these spare kits, and then these cables, so I could wire in a temporary microphone for experimental purposes. Anyway, that's good. I'm glad I remember that now. That's good. So I'll get on with that again some other day. You'll see that coming out on the channel. It's just a good old electronics project to make some more bling for the lab, just LED light show awesomeness, which I'm really just doing for soldering practice, debugging practice, you know, learning how to use my tools. So, okay, that's not very interesting, is it? That's just I bought a couple of power cables, so that I can use this power up the back here, which is usually an Xbox, and power other things. I got this because they sold it to me while I was buying more of these. I am planning to do something with the mains power, with regard to a salvaged alarm clock that I'm working on. And I just want to do it safely and properly, so I'm planning to put it in a box and run proper power in. So I'm waiting for some of this stuff to arrive so I can power it off this figure 8 thing. Anyway, look, that's everything. I did say it would be a quick mail call today, so let's jump over to the farewell cam. We'll wrap up. That's a wrap. So it's tradition for me to talk about what my favorite and least favorite thing were when I do a mail call video. So today I think I'm going to have to say the least impressive thing was this figure 8 power adapter. I don't think I have any use for this at all. Looking at it now, I'm not even really quite sure how it works. I don't think I'd ever have a use for it, except maybe if I wanted to go in sideways or something. But anyway, I'll throw it in the adapter drawer. It might come in handy one day. Who knows? These things also aren't super they're not what I was expecting. They're much smaller than I was expecting. So hopefully I can make it functional, which is fair enough. And the best things, I guess, it's a tie between the kits. I got some spare kits for the light show, and of course the audio 3.5mm jacks. They're good to have. I'm very happy to have a good set of that. And I'll be using it to put one of the microphones and make it sort of plug-inable and plug-outable. I had some problems overheating the Electret microphone with the soldering iron when I was working on the soldering earlier, so hopefully I can avoid that problem. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.